is a time to honor the story of love and redemption that began 2,000 years ago. A time to see the world through a child's eyes and rediscover the magic all around us.
But in here's where the real magic has happened lately.
There's not a silver bullet. There's not one magic solution to our energy problems. We're going to
so curious, so trusting, so energetic, so full of magic.
Till Max said, "Be still," and tame them with the magic trick.
Lockhart, has he lost the magic?
Savannah, he's gone from yes we can to no I can't.
There's no magic formula.
Really? And it was so remarkable that my trip director was with me. He said, "This stuff's like magic." And so as a consequence, you can anticipate we're going to be hearing a lot about how people have these magic three-point plans to make sure that you're only paying $2 a gallon gas. They head down to the gas station. They make sure a few cameras are following them. And then they start acting like we've got a magic wand and we will give you cheap gas forever if you just elect us. Prices will immediately come down and all our problems will go away, like magic.
To my fellow educators here today and across this country, I commend you for the magic you continue to make day in and day out in your classrooms.
And there are no magic tricks here. Officers, you know as well as anybody, there's no magic solution to prevent every bad thing from happening in the world. You still suit up, you put on your badge. See, every time I walk through these kinds of facilities, I'm thinking, now this is just magic. Dealing with a extraordinarily violent and difficult situation like Syria's. If there was, I think... I can't say that there is a magic formula in a situation that was just described in a place like New Orleans. So there are no magic bullets here.